we've measured 2 inches. Now, cut, you have to, there you go. Cut, you have to cut real slow or it'll break the wood. Good job. There you go. Now, did you measure the other end? Good job. Cut the other 2 inches from the other end. Good. Okay. Now that's the back side of our boat. Okay. Then we cut the remaining piece in half. That was pretty hard. Here, I'll hold this side, you hold that side. There you go. Woo! Where'd it go?
I got it.
Woo! Okay.
That was
Now
like a firework.
those go on the other side.
Is that like a firework?
It was kind of like a firework. It was. Okay. Then we're going to take one tongue depressor and cut it in half to be the crossbars. Close enough.
Oh, this looks so fun to do. Is it about
Good
to
job.
go to 0?
Nope. And then that's going to be your crossbars. It's going to, let's see if I can get my arms down here. Here, it's going to lay across this way. So it's going to hold those pieces in place.
I 5 on your foot.
You did. There. And there. So we can push these down a little bit because we're going to have room for that propeller to do its thing. Okay, and these are going to be kind of in the middle here. Okay, so use your glue and glue those down. We're going to need just enough room for the rubber band to go between them. Sure.
Oh, remember I was going to say I was going to make the flag?
Yes, you were going to make the flag.
Only if I can buy. I can go get scissors.
Okay. There you go. Okay. There we go.
Your hair dries so nice.
Okay. Good job. Remember, we're going to need just enough room between the 2 pieces that the rubber band can fit in there. Did it close up again? I think it closed. There you go. Twist. There you go. It's coming. That's really thick glue. Okay. Then we do the same thing on the other side. And try to get them pretty close to the exact same place. Otherwise, our boat's going to go in circles. So maybe to do that, we can take this and take this and put them right beside each other. And that way you can make sure you get them at the same place.
Jensen, be careful, please. Don't get hurt.
I didn't find any scissors.
You didn't.
You need scissors, Jensen? Why don't you just ask?
Papa can get you some scissors. It's okay if there's glue on top because remember those other 2 sticks have to go on top.
Do I see glue on there?
Yeah.
Like this?
Oh, there's scissors, Jensen.
I'm confused. Which one did Dad give me?
Which other ones you think will work best? Okay. Now we're going to put the two sticks at the top. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to run some glue from that side to that side so we can put. Oh, we're changing to purple glue. You made a perfect square. Is our flag going to be a square? Okay. That glue is really thick.
It's gonna be a mini tree.
Okay.
It's gonna be a higher flag. Actually, I don't know what flag it's going to be, but it is gonna be golden.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing at the bottom. There we go. Hold it down for you. See if you can get a little more glue on these sticks. Good. Okay. Now we need to put glue here, 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 and here, but we have to put our rubber band on first. So, should we just use one of these rubber bands? So your rubber band is going to go on and it's going to fit between those two. We'll just put it on for now. Oh, maybe we need to let it, no, it'll be okay. I was thinking maybe we needed to let it dry a little bit, but I think it'll be okay because that's not real stretchy. There you go. Oops, I guess we do need to let it dry a little bit. Shall we put it on pause and let it dry a little bit? Okay. Well, come on. Pause.